Hello, my name is Coach Barco. I'm here today to show you BattleBar 360. I've been in personal training for 15 years and in boxing since I was 14 years old. I stumbled across this product a short time ago and I believe it's an awesome tool to sharpen your boxing skills as well as get a phenomenal workout. I can't wait to show you. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to take a peek what's included in the Pro system and some of the accessories, and then we're going to show you how easy it is to install. Okay, so now that we have this all unpackaged, we have our punch bar, our control rod, the mounting bracket, along with the counterweight for the two added items, the punch balls, and prefabricated mounting plate, along with all the hardware and instruction manual. We're ready to get started. Here are the recommended tools for a simple drywall installation. We have a stud finder, a ice pick or pointed object, bubble level, 1/2-inch box wrench, a tape measure, and an automatic screwdriver. So now we've cleared out a space in my own garage for a basic installation against drywall. So we're going to take a measurement from the floor up to about 70 inches. That is the recommended height for the average user. So we're going to use our stud finder right now to find the studs so we can mount our base plate. Here we have our base plate and the provided hardware. We're just going to hand screw these in so that we can easily install it when we get to the wall. So now we have our control rod. It's going to mount to our mounting bracket. This is the unique part of the BattleBar 360. This design right here allows the BattleBar, the punch bar, to travel up and down as it spins around. You'll see that in a couple minutes too. Okay, so I'm going to insert the control rod into the mounting bracket. There are two different heights that I could set this, and I'm going to set it here at the lower level for my height. This is the home stretch to the final installation of the BattleBar 360 Pro system, the punch bar. So now that we have the BattleBar completely installed and you got familiar with it, here's some extra accessories. We have a reflex ball and we also have a counterweight. I am Coach Barco. Thanks for joining us for the BattleBar 360. We'll talk to you real soon. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Coming right there in the lip.